Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by clarifying purpose and the first concrete goals so you can recruit intentionally. Once done, pick a platform that matches member habits and scale. Make sure to create 3 clear guidelines and a simple onboarding checklist. Invite 5 to 10 founding members who reflect your target mix. Assign at least 1 organizer and 1 moderator immediately to keep momentum. This gets activity flowing and prevents drift. You will learn quickly what to adjust from those early interactions. Once the group is active, design rituals that produce predictable value and habit, weekly threads, monthly live sessions, and regular AMAs to surface expertise. Make sure to segment conversations into themed channels and label roles so newcomers navigate easily. Document onboarding, moderation, and contributor workflows in one accessible place. Track basic metrics like weekly active users and retention percentage to spot trends. Balance structured programming with open space for member-led initiatives, so ownership shifts from you to the community. To scale, transition responsibilities to trained volunteers and define escalation paths. This prevents bottlenecks and builds leadership depth. Once engagement is stable, explore monetization or partnerships that align with purpose and reinvest proceeds into better tools or events. If growth stalls or toxicity appears, run a rapid audit. Check activity data, collect member feedback, and /B test small changes. Make sure to communicate transparently about changes and timelines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.